Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the MSI GeForce RTX TM5070 Ti 16 gaming RTO driver. So guys, open any browser to Google search box to type. Okay, then right click to new tab, then extract, click to support. Then you can see if not selected automatically driver, so select the driver download. So you have two guys, there are two type to install, automatic and manual. So I recommend guys now try to this one first, automatic. If you facing some issues, so you can try to manual it. Okay, just click to download and just click to download. Now it will start automatically and you can see this setup. I already installed it. Just single click after download the setup. You can see this is scan and detect your graphic card which is required to install. Okay, thank you.